All right, guys, I'm going to replace my wife's windshield wiper blades with these blades I got at Costco. I used to work at Costco in the section that I would restock these, so it's kind of fun to look back and then, anyway, replace these blades. They're pretty easy, and when you go to Costco, there's a little booklet there. Double check your make and model in that booklet. It'll tell you if it's the same blade for both windshield wipers or if they're different. In my case, with my wife's Toyota Highlander 2003, it's two different kinds. So when you open the box, you get your windshield wipers. It comes with some extra little pieces as needed and some instructions. When you come over to the windshield wiper, the old one, it had some old Michelin ones on there, and I honestly just had to like break it all off because they were super brittle. Or you push down and you kind of pop around this here. Let's see if I can get it without breaking it. That pops up, so there's like a little, you can see here, there's a little thing that pops up on the side. There's a little tab here. If it doesn't work, you kind of just have to break it, pull it all apart. But anyway, that comes up like that, and then it'll come off like so. Don't drop your windshield wiper and crack your thing here. So then if you come over here, you can see it's just got this little hook with the new windshield wiper. With the new windshield wiper, you just put it on the top there like that, and you'll hear a click, and it should be tight. Okay, and then there's just these little white tabs at the end here. They just protect the blade. Those just slide off on both ends, and you're good to go. And then just goes on like that. So there's no protective cover on it or anything. Just over the top there. So go get your new windshield wiper blades before winter.